Let's make some pasta.
Okay, let's make some pasta. So keep mixing. You're gonna see the bubbling. Wow, look at the place. Look at that.
Welcome to Chicago Magazine's very first Live in the Kitchen. My name is Emily Johnson. I'm the Deputy Design Director at Chicago Magazine and also the host of In the Kitchen. I am joined by a very special guest, Dario Monni, owner of Tortello, a pasta shop and restaurant in Wicker Park.
Grazie, Emily. Ciao.
Yeah.
Thank you very
so
much
for
having me.
here.
Yeah, thank you very much. Let's start to put the focaccia in the oven.
Sounds good.
Pan here and put in the oven. Take your hand and
Break
dip
it.
in. Yeah,
Okay.
this is what we do. And I love dipping like this, like without
so
any
good.
sort of a...
Salad?
The salad. There we go.
That tastes amazing. Let's make some pasta.
Okay, let's make some pasta. So let's use the pan.
There we go.
All right, put a medium. Okay. Yeah, let's put the olive oil in the pan.
Should I turn the water on so it starts?
Yeah, let's start the water on. A big container of water boiling. Put some generous amount of salt. Hands full of salt. I don't know if you see that. Let's put a bit of garlic. I like to crush the garlic with my hands like this to give a better flavor, to expand the flavor, and put in the pan.
Okay.
I will do two, okay? Let's get a bit of the garlic color with the olive oil. So you can use a spoon, then we have the beautiful spoon.
Yep.
And let's move around the garlic.
So that the garlic will flavor the oil?
Exactly. Some people leave the garlic in, some people they take it away. You can do whatever you prefer. If I
I'm
don't,
a fan.
There we go, see? And then we're gonna put the onions.
Onions.
There we go, some onions. Let's mix it up. So the smell of the onions is all around the studio right now.
Yeah, it
right?
smells really good.
So here we go. Now you can see the onions. You guys, you can see the onions getting softer. The flavor, the smell is changing right now. So we're getting there. We need to be a little patient because, you know, all good things need a bit of patience to add,
Yes,
right?
it smells so delicious.
You guys all good? Everyone's going well? Seems like.
Oh yeah, we had thumbs up.
Thumbs up. There we go. Let's put the meat now and like breaking down a bit.
Yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful.
There we go. See?
What spice is in the sauce?
We put a bit of paprika, a little bit of fennel seed. But like I said, you guys can you can choose whatever you want. And now you put the white wine that we have. There we go.
Ooh.
So let's put the fire down a little bit. The white wine helps to take away the flavor of the meat when you put it in. So it incorporates everything together.
Okay. Your kitchen smell good? Thumbs
Does it
up.
smell good or no? Yes, seems like.
Oh yeah.
There we go. We see the smell, all combination of onions and sausage. The garlic is cooked as well.
Yeah.
I will start to pouring the cream into the pan. Gently like this. And also get ready with the saffron.
Got it.
And you want to put it in?
Yeah.
Be generous. The beauty of saffron is that it takes 2 minutes to expand.
Okay.
And all the color, as you can see, start to getting yellow. Okay, the meat is almost ready. Everywhere you can keep crushing with your spoon if you see big pieces. And like I said, this sauce, I mean, you can guys do like a big container and freezer.
Oh.
You know, this is another thing you can do. You can freeze and you can have it once a week. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you don't have to do it all the time. So
I love that
freeze
idea.
fantastic well. If you leave there, you get the flavor better and better.
Yeah, it builds.
And something you can feed your family, your friend, you know, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your grandma, you know, whatever. It's almost there. So the water should be boiling right now. Okay, so you want to put the pasta
Sure.
in, Emily? And
I'm
then,
excited.
So the sauce should be like, for everybody, it should be like almost ready. You can keep moving the pan. You can.
Pasta is in.
So I will put a bit of water than we get from the boiling.
Wow, it's really turned yellow from this.
Look at the yellow color.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So now even more is going to turn yellow because you put the very hot water.
And the parsley, I love parsley.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, there is no quantity that you need to do it, whatever you prefer. I love parsley too. But we're gonna also put at the end, so I will not exaggerate it right now. So the pasta is ready. Let's transfer the pasta, take the strainer and transfer straight to the pan. We can put it right now, the butter that we have, okay? Let's put it in.
What's the butter gonna do besides just make it?
So make more like, yeah. Put everything together.
Okay.
Let's use this word, okay? Let's be generous tonight because it's a special evening.
Special occasion.
Right? So let's put the butter in the pan and mix with your spoon.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. So the butter is gonna melt. Everything's gonna come together soon.
My mouth is watering.
Right?
There we go,
yeah. And this pasta, like I said, because the consistency does not overcook, so it's very easy to cook this shape of pasta. Right now, look, the sauce is reducing a little bit.
Yes.
You see the bubblings coming up?
It definitely looks thicker.
Looks thicker. I will add a bit of Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay.
A little more parsley on top. Keep mixing. You're gonna see the bubbling. There we go. You see?
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Look at that. And the texture of the pasta, this is what I love about it. So I'm gonna do like my grandma used to do. Take the plate, a spoon, nothing fancy, be generous. Let's take the left of the Parmigiano and let's put on top. Parsley, spring few on top.
That's
and there
beautiful.
we go. E buon appetito.
Thank you
Emily?
so much. Oh my gosh.
I mean,
That pasta is incredible. I've never had pasta like that before.
thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.
How's it going over there? Everyone happy? Wow, look at the place. Look at that. Can I see your plates?
See?
Oh, look at that. God, it's so
Excellent job.
good.
This is so good. I can't stop.